So, if you're on Google Classroom, under the announcement for today is this thing. We're going to start using a thing called Blend Space, and it kind of works like a playlist that we've done in class before, where it puts a video and then a practice and then the next video and then the homework or something like that. So hopefully, since this week we kind of have 2 lessons, or we split it up into 2 parts, it just keeps it organized rather than having to know, okay, gotta click here and then here and then here, and just having a bunch of different links. It keeps them organized. So if you click right here, so this is what it looks like. You can click them one by one. Notice how in the top right corner of each square it has a number. That's the order you're going to do them in. So obviously start with this one. You can also click play. I've started with just kind of an introduction and some instructions, and then each section has a new set of instructions just to keep you fresh on it. So, like I said, it's just like a playlist. It's going to take you through them in order. There's 2 videos and then 2 assignments this week. Make sure you watch the video before you do the assignment. And if you can watch it before you come to class, that's really helpful. So now I can just click this arrow. It takes me to the next thing. So this week we're doing circles. Since we're doing 2-dimensional shapes, and circles work differently than quadrilaterals or triangles. So they get their own week. So your to-do list for part 1 is watch the video and do the Google form. So here's the video. You can just click play. I'm not going to right now because you can do that on your own, right? So click play. It's just like a normal video lesson. If you want, you can have a piece of paper on next to you writing the examples with me. And then after each video, I have just included the filled in notes. So what it would look like after I went through and do it, what the answers are. Oh, these pictures didn't show up. Well, I will fix that. So just filled in notes for your reference. You can, if you click this little arrow, you can download it and save it to your computer. That way you can look at it while you do the assignment. And then, so for the first part, the practice homework or the practice activity is just a normal Google form. There's 8 questions. You have to do the whole thing. And so the nice thing about this website is that you don't have to click anywhere else to do the Google form. You can just do it right here. Okay, so scroll down. Make sure you put your first and last name. Okay, some of us were only putting our first name, and then I had to track you down last week. So you're going to type in your answer. There's only 8. These ones aren't too bad. It's just like solving an equation, stuff we've already done. Make sure you hit submit. Some people didn't hit submit last week, and then they're like, why didn't I get a grade? It's like, well, I didn't get it from you. Okay, so part 2, there's another video, and then for your assignment or your practice choices, there's 2 choices. The first one is just a normal Google form like we've been doing, and then the second one is IXL. So you watch the video. Here's the notes. Same old, same old. Okay, so you only have to choose one. You do not have to do both, okay? So this one's a Google form. There are 12 questions, and you can choose 10. Okay? This one does have word problems, so choose wisely. And then your next one is IXL.